हेलो बच्चों, A to Z learn alphabet and 1 to 10 learn counting. Color name: orange color, purple color, black color, yellow color, light green color, brown color, dark green color, dark blue color, light pink color, red color, light pink color, light blue color, red color. A B C. Dark green color. D E F orange color. G H I dark blue color. J K L dark pink color. M N O light blue color. P Q R light pink color. S T U brown color. V W X purple color. Y Z light green color. 1 yellow color. 2 black color. 3 dark blue color. 4 red color. 5 orange color. 6 dark green color. 7 dark pink color. 8 light blue color. 9 brown color. 1 10